Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. This part is in continuation of the previous part, so go ahead, watch it first and then come back to this video again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. In this practical, we'll explore the layout editor. Use the layout editor to create the layout of the user interface elements and to preview your app using different devices and app themes, resolutions and orientations. Open the activity main.xml file. If you see the XML code for the UI element, click the Design tab below the component tree. Let's find the different ways in which the Hello World strings UI element, a text view, is represented. First, in the palette of UI elements, developers can create a text view by dragging it into the design pane. Second, visually in the design pane. Third, in the component tree, as a component in a hierarchy of UI elements called the view hierarchy. That is, views are organized into a tree hierarchy of parents and children, where children inherit properties of their parents. Fourth, in the properties pane, as a list of its properties, where Hello World is the value of the text property of the text view. You can use the selectors above the virtual device to do the following. Change the theme for your app. Change the rotation to landscape. Use a different version of the SDK. Use the tooltips on the icons to help you discover their function. You can also switch between the design and text tabs. Some UI changes can only be made in code and some are quicker to accomplish in the virtual device. Next, we will change the view group to linear layout. The root of the view hierarchy is a view group, which, as implied by the name, is a view that contains other views. A vertical linear layout is one of the most common layouts. It is simple, fast and always a good starting point. Change the view group to a vertical linear layout as follows. Make sure the closing tag at the end of the code has changed to linear layout. If it hasn't changed automatically, change it manually. The Android layout height is defined as part of the template. The default layout orientation, a horizontal row. To change the layout to be vertical, add the following code inside linear layout below Android layout height. From the menu bar, select Code, Reformat Code. It may say no lines changed. Code is already properly formatted. Run the code to make sure it still works. Switch back to design. Verify in the component tree pane that the top element is now a linear layout with its orientation attribute set to vertical. Now we'll add views to the linear layout in the layout editor. In this task, we'll delete the current text view for practice and add a new text view and two buttons to the linear layout as shown in the UI sketch in our previous video. Click the text view whose text value is Hello World in the virtual device layout or the component tree pane. Press the delete key to remove the text view. From the palette pane, drag and drop a button element, a text view and another button element in that order, one below the other into the virtual device layout. To identify each view uniquely within an activity, each view needs a unique ID. And to be of any use, the buttons need labels and the text view needs to show some text. Double-click each element in the component tree to see its properties and change the text and ID strings as follows. Run your app. That's it for this video. We'll continue in the next part. Keep watching Back to Coding and don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.